In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix it when the Chrome toolbar is at the bottom and how to fix this problem. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is open up Google. Then we want to search in Google. You want to type Chrome // and then click on go. This will open up the experiments and then you can search there. So what you want to search for is, you can see there what I searched for there is bottom bar, and then you want to see there Android bottom bar right there. So you can see mine's on default right now, which is what you want. If yours was set to enabled, then you want to open up the screen, set it to disabled, and then the problem will be resolved. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.